friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add secondary owner in your Google My Business profile, or how to provide an owner access to somebody else in your Google My Business listing. As you can see, I have simply searched for my business name, or you can search for my business keyword using the same Gmail account from which you have created your Google My Business listing. And here there is a triple dot, we will click on it. Now business profile settings, people and access, and here you can simply click on add and enter the email ID to whom you are providing the owner access, and you can simply select the owner and can send the invitation. As soon as you send the invitation, that opposite person will receive an email, and from there they can accept the invitation of the owner access. And whenever they accept the invitation, and later they can search on uh, Google that business name or like my business keyword, and the business listing would appear, and they can simply manage that particular business listing. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore the digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.